Good day, garden lovers. Today we want to harvest some vegetables that we grew ourselves from seed using organic farming practices. Over here, we have two different types of pak choy. This is known as the xiao bai cai, and this is another variety of pak choy. They are belonging to the same family with slightly different characteristics. The color of the leaves are a little bit lighter and the stems are green. Whereas this one, the leaves are a little bit darker and the stems are white. So when you learn to grow your own food, you can sort of mix different type of vegetables to grow, and it's really, really fun. So I'm going to do harvesting now, right, for this one. So I'm just going to use my scissors and cut. How beautiful this is. How healthy. We never use any chemical pesticide. In our Edible Garden Training Program, we teach you all that you need to know to grow your own vegetables and herbs garden. Simply use the discount code 12OFFER to get 12% off course fees. Okay, now we have the second one. The final one. These are all my harvests today.